Okay, I'm up. Screen 2, I think. Okay. Hopefully you're seeing Omni and not my IDE. Yeah, so this is very much a work in progress, but I wanted to give an update on where it is. All of the backend functionality, I believe, is now there, so I'm going to be fully focused at this point on designs and such. What this feature is a table migrator for when tables get renamed or something in the database. So hopefully this demo works. I have these two tables, misnamed table 1 and 2. I have a query that is running against misnamed table 1. And you can imagine that I'm in the database and I drop, well, actually I want to rename misnamed table 1. I think I got the syntax right. Cool. And we'll just drop table 2. Then you go in and you do a schema refresh. And I also, you'll see I have a custom dimension on misnamed table 1. So that just happened. My great table 1 just appeared. Misnamed table 2 is now the extension that I added on here is now hanging out in no man's land. So what you'll have to do is make a branch. The UI will walk you through this, but for now, I'm just having to make a branch myself. And then I can click this migrate thing here. And it has detected that these two tables disappeared from the schema. And I can migrate this to great table 1. And let's say I want to just delete this one. I don't care about it. Go to migrate it, and we'll see what has happened is that misnamed table 1 is back. And we've like pointed it to great table 1. So we're using the renaming functionality. So we preserve the old name. We preserve the old name because you might have a query running against the old name. So now if I run without cache, this query should still work. I don't know why it's so slow, but anyway, that's that. In theory, this will still work. And then the other table got dropped. So yeah, that's that.
Can I ask? First of all, that's awesome. So 2 questions. Number 1, would that work to move between query views and database view and database tables if you want to move a CTE into the warehouse? And number 2, do you think we'll be able to do this without first breaking the table? This is the original source table.
First question. It might. I mean, there would need to be extra work there, but I think the fundamental way it's built would support moving a query view over. That's interesting. I'll have to try that out. And then what was the second question?
Do you think we'll be able to do this? Because if in that use case, would you be able to do that before you break the original table to say, hey, I got the destination live and I can kind of hot swap this so there isn't any downtime on the
Right. So probably not. Right now, the way it's built, it wouldn't be able to be done ahead of time. But it wouldn't be a crazy amount of work to add that on top.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be ready for the first iteration of this, but the sort of the fundamentals would support doing that later.
Yeah, makes sense. Awesome. Thank you.